Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have announced the signing of goalkeeper Ronaldo Lena on a free transfer after his departure from Sekhukhune United. Lena, who's 28 years old, made a surprise exit from Babina Noko after the club didn't exercise their option to extend his contract. He had joined Sekhukhune United in 2023 from Maritzburg United, and the Ikamva Academy product went on to feature 45 times for the club with 15 clean sheets to his name, making major strides in the 2025-26 season, which saw him even called to the Bafana Bafana squad. And on Monday, the 6th of July 2026, Kaizer Chiefs announced Ronaldo Lena as their second signing, after they announced Thabo Moloi-Sane from Stellenbosch FC, also on a free transfer. Here is a statement that Kaizer Chiefs released. It says, Kaizer Chiefs have strengthened their goalkeeping department with the signing of renowned shortstopper Ronaldo Lena. Born in Cape Town 28 years ago, Lena arrives at Naturena with a wealth of experience, having impressed last season and earned a number of call-ups to the Bafana Bafana national team. We proudly welcome Ronaldo Lena to the Khosi Nation. That's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this signing by Kaizer Chiefs to announce the signing of Ronaldo Lena on a free transfer? A lot of people, they complain when Kaizer Chiefs sign free agents, but when it comes to Thabo Moloi-Sane and Ronaldo Lena, they have signed two great players even though they are on a free. Let me hear your thoughts. Are you impressed with this signing? He's going to be competing with Bruce Vouma and Brandon Peterson because there are possibility that Fiacre Ntwari might leave Kaizer Chiefs. And in other news, Siwelele FC are on the verge of signing Orlando Pirates defender Thabiso Sesane, with Orlando Pirates still weighing the options on whether to make the move a loan one or a permanent switch. Sesane, who's 26 years old, only made a single appearance for Orlando Pirates last season, which was in the Nedbank Cup, with his progress halted by a ruptured Achilles tendon that he sustained in February 2025. Before his injury, Sesane was seen as one of the best centre-backs in South Africa, pairing Olisanda as one of the most formidable partnership in the Betway Premiership. However, injury have halted his progress in the past year and a half. Now, Lehlohonolo Siema's side have lost the experience of Nico Mobi at the back and now are pushing for a move to consolidate their defense, with Sesane bringing experience and leadership in the defensive setup, while they are also finalizing another deal for Silelo Rasibucha. There's a lot of movements between Orlando Pirates and Siwelele FC in this transfer window. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by Thabiso Sesane to potentially move to Siwelele FC? Do you think that Orlando Pirates should loan him there or move as a permanent transfer? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.